From engineering the factories that build the world's innovations, to powering global supply chains that bring products to your door, to improving the quality of healthcare systems around the world, Industrial and Systems Engineering designs solutions that change lives. And there's no better place to study it than the H. Milton Stewart School of Industrial and Systems Engineering at Georgia Tech. For 35 years in a row, our graduate program has been ranked #1 in the nation. Our undergraduate program, #1 for 25 straight years. We're led by world-class faculty, making breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, supply chain engineering, optimization, and data science. And when our students graduate, they step into careers ranging from hospitality and finance to healthcare and e-commerce. Georgia Tech's ISyE. It's where you'll engineer the systems that shape the world.
A chemical engineer is going to look at a chemical process. A mechanical engineer is going to look at a machine. We apply those types of principles to a bigger enterprise that includes people.
Ultimately, ISyE is really the problem solvers of the world. So your opportunities are going to be in any industry you can possibly think of.
I think there are many factors that contribute to our top rankings. One of the greatest strengths of our program is our faculty.
They come from very different experiences and disciplines: logistics, manufacturing, healthcare, energy.
Everyone that's written a book in our field is here, or we have someone that could write a textbook for our field.
The next closest department is not even half our size. We're just in a different league from everybody else.
We're always striving to bring in more resources to make our programs better, more student support, more faculty support, research support. The George Tower is going to be ISyE's new home. It's going to provide a cutting-edge facility to enhance our programs, to take everything up a level.
We have many ways through which we support career development.
Almost all of the undergraduate students will have amazing industry experiences during their summertime.
Being at Georgia Tech, it's really easy to get internships. I've seen industrial engineers in all areas of businesses. That's one thing that's super unique.
We also have one of the oldest and most well-established co-op programs in the country. We study all of the cutting-edge problems. Our students then go on and work for all the companies that are actually doing it.
We have an award-winning capstone design project.
And that is where they're working on a real-world problem.
And students actually work with those organizations providing solutions. It allows students from different backgrounds to come together as a team. Communication, project management, scheduling, conflict resolution.
It sets you up for success in terms of giving you that exposure to go out and actually use those things in the real world.
We are also very highly committed to our PhD students.
Faculty and staff here do a lot of work to make sure that we have all the resources that we need to be able to do great research. They really make sure I dug deep into what really inspires me so that way I can do work that was meaningful.
90% of the students have a job offer a month before they graduate. Georgia Tech is known for its highest ranking in terms of return on investment, and we see it year after year for ISyE students.
The alumni are very engaged with the ISyE students in providing career advice, providing coaching, providing mentoring, providing guidance.
We have a very strong mentoring relationship between the industry alumni and the current students.
And I see a lot of our alumni come back and create endowments and set up scholarships for these students. It's a common connection that you have forever, is that I'm an IE from Georgia Tech.
When students join ISyE, they become part of our family for life.
For me, the biggest thing about Georgia Tech that really stood out is I just love the sense of community I found here and the people that were here.
I think the thing I enjoy most about the faculty here is that they're people first, and it really makes sure that you feel like a person before you're a researcher, and it was just such a welcoming environment.
We have to provide the right environment for you to find yourself, to figure out the kind of person you want to be.
Our goal is really to prepare them for life so that they become happy and they become successful.
No student is not taken care of. We all show up for each other and for the students every day.
Some of the most successful engineers I've seen are people that come from a background you would never expect.
So I was the first person in my family to ever go to college.
My grandparents, they didn't know how to read and write, and yet here I am.
Even if you're the first person in your family to pursue engineering, by the way, which I am myself, we're all here to help you.
With my background, this is not what I envisioned for myself, but with anybody that has the hard work and determination, you can be successful here.
I've learned so much, I've made so many mistakes, but Georgia Tech has always given me the support I need to really grow and develop.
Follow your passion towards what you want to do in your career. No one can tell you you can't do something if you really want to do it.
Regardless of where you started, what kind of challenges you faced, you belong here and you can do it.